Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we're making a taillight installation video on this 2019 Chevy Silverado. Tools needed for this install: small flat blade screwdriver, a hook pick, panel popper, and T15 Torx. Now let's get started. The first step, you're gonna get underneath your truck and disconnect the taillight harness. So here's the connector. You wanna push it up, slide it down to unclip it. So here's a red clip. You wanna slide it back to unlock the connector. Now press on the tab, disconnect. And then from here, the harness is connected to the body panel. So go ahead and unclip it. After you unclip it, you're gonna run the harness to the other side. Go ahead and grab your panel popper. This here is the second clip. Go ahead and disconnect it from the body. Now repeat the same process to the opposite side. Next, open your tailgate. Okay, remove 2 T15 screws. Next, we're gonna unseat the taillight. So you're gonna grab it firmly on top. You're just gonna carefully pull it straight back. Okay, next we have to disconnect the bed light. So grab your hook pick. You're gonna slide back the red clip to unlock the connector. And then you're gonna press on the tab, disconnect. Then from here, go ahead and pull the harness all the way out. This is what we unplugged underneath the truck. Okay, you're gonna bring over your Spyder taillight. Go ahead and grab your harness. You're gonna run it to the bottom of the truck. Next, you're gonna grab the bed light connector. Go ahead and plug it in. And from here, we're gonna seat the taillight. So these 2 guide pins fall into these slots here. And then this guide pin up here falls into this hole here. Reinstall your T15 screws. Okay, you're gonna grab your taillight harness. Your harness come out through here. Take your connector, go ahead and plug it in, and then you're going to clip it back in position. Now repeat the same process to the opposite side. Now that we're finished with the installation, let's close the tailgate and see the taillights function.